Hi, CPAP Nation. This is Dr. Raj Kakar here with you for the Dallas Sleep Minute. This time I just wanted to kind of go over filters. It's a subject that's often overlooked when we talk about CPAP treatment, and usually, people even forget they have a filter in there. But it is very important to maintain and have a good, clean filter to make sure you're getting the best results from your CPAP treatment. And so here today we have a picture, an example of a clean filter, and then you can see below that there's a picture of a not so clean filter. And so, once in a while we'll see filters like this, which is, pretty gross. So, unless you live in on a ranch or in a manger or a stable, your filter probably shouldn't look like this. You definitely don't want it to get this dirty. So we recommend, manufacturers' recommendations to replace the filter every month. Many people, don't need to replace it that often because they usually don't get this dirty that fast. But you probably do want to check it and replace it maybe every season, meaning every 3 months, something like that. Probably a good idea to get rid of the old one and put in the new one. And again, the point of the filter is it's filtering the air that you breathe all night long with your CPAP. And so that way it continues to give you the best results, the clean air, and it gives you the most impact from your treatment. You don't want a dirty filter like this to get to this degree, because obviously that can impact your treatment and create even problems for your device. So again, just wanted to bring this to everybody's attention and serve as a reminder that, hey, don't forget to replace your filter. All right, we'll see you next time. Have a great day and sleep well.